My name's Stephen Wright. I'm the creator of the House of Dreams Museum in East Dulwich in South London. Welcome to my house and the House of Dreams. I began the project in 1998, all those years ago. The house is about legacy. It's about wanting to leave something behind. So we have these big sort of columns of toys and colour. I mean, I love colour, but everything is here for a reason. It isn't to fill a space. So, you know, I can tell you virtually where everything is from because that's why it's here. I want to recall the memory of being wherever I've been when I bought them. I mean, there's a lot of writing in this house as well, and it really reflects my life. It's about my life. It is a diary of my life. February the 12th is when I had my first injection, and I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait. I can't tell you how much I was looking forward to having it done. Under normal circumstances, we have one open day a month. People often ask me when they come to the House of Dreams, what's my favourite object? It's very hard to answer, but I suppose one of my favourites is the doll with the squashed face over here, which I bought from Deptford Market for £1. It's not an easy project. If I wanted an easy life, I wouldn't be doing this.
You call it a project, do you think it'll be finished?
No, the House of Dreams will never be finished. I will be finished before the House of Dreams is finished.